सेल्फी लेते लेते वक्त लेडीज गिर गई थी, मोबाइल का वीडियो बेचा, मोबाइल से वीडियो लेते वक्त टाइग्रेस भी पीछे दौड़ी थी।
Driving and then waiting and then driving and then waiting. Completely dry. No tigers. Oh my god! Hello, hello, hello. We are off to our first safari on day one. So, as a part of the tour, we are going to be doing a total of 6 safaris. Okay, we arrived here at Tadoba this morning. We checked in, had lunch, and the first safari is going to be an afternoon safari from 2:30 to 6:30. Now, Tadoba, as most other national parks in India, is divided into different zones. Some of them are the core forest zones, and some of them are buffer zones. So, our safaris are going to be spread across core zones as well as buffer zones. So, today we are going to the Navegao core zone, which is because the last couple of days people have been getting some great sightings here. So we're really looking forward to getting some exciting sightings for today. This right behind me is the Navegao Safari start point. We are ready to go. This water body that we are crossing right now is the Tadoba Lake, and it is home to 50 plus crocodiles. It also used to be a crocodile breeding center before. We are out on our first safari and the weather is just unbelievable. This is the first time in my life I've come on a safari where I'm not dying under the sun. Because it's the end of monsoon, it's drizzling slightly and the weather is just beautiful right now. It's green everywhere. We just saw two sambal deers. One of them eating mud for some reason. I really need to find out why it was eating mud. It was eating mud for a long time. It was hanging out in this patch of like marshy soil and then eating it. So sambar deer and wild boars are the main preys of the tigers living in Tadoba. So we just saw one prey, another prey, and the predator left. So we reached the location of Pandarpani and we got a okayish sighting of this tigress called C3. She was there with two of her cubs, but they were kind of really inside the forest and we were not able to see them. There were a lot of like bamboo shoots in the middle blocking our view. So we are hoping to get a better sighting. So we kind of waited there for like 15-20 minutes, but I think the tigers had settled down inside the forest and they showed no signs of coming out anytime soon. So now we are heading back towards our entry gate and we're going to try and see if we manage to sight any other tigers. Today we were kind of unlucky, did not get a good sighting at all. So fingers crossed for tomorrow. Good morning, it's 5 a.m. and we are off for day number 2, Safari 1. Let's go. Both our safaris today are actually going to be in the buffer zone. So yesterday we did one safari in the core zone and today both our morning and afternoon safaris are going to be in the buffer zones. So the first gate that we are entering through today is the Shirkada gate and off we go. Okay, we thought there was a tiger sighting happening here, but guess what? We actually got a leopard sighting. First leopard sighting of our lives. Insane. Yes, it's amazing. So leopards are supposed to be quite shy. They're not as bold as tigers, so they wouldn't have. Oh my god! leopard sighting?
I'm still like my heart is still racing. I don't know when it will stop. मला खूपच छान वाटतं.
How was it?
Amazing sighting. Like it came and crossed the road, like behind our jeep, just behind our jeep.
Insane, right? How was it for you?
It was the best sighting of our lives and भगवान दिख गया बस.
Absolutely agree. Absolutely agree. Best sighting of our lives. According to a new rule, cell phones are not allowed inside the Tadobandhari Tiger Reserve because of certain incidents that happened involving tourists misusing their phones and disrupting the animals. So I'm in total support of this decision. So you can either leave your phones back at your resort or you carry them with you, and then they'll provide you a box so you can lock your phones, take them with you in your gypsy, but you cannot use them inside the park. Once you're done with your safari, you come outside the gate, then you can have your phone back.
हमारा 2014 में हमारा गेट अलीजंजा गेट चालू हुआ था। तो यहाँ पे एक झरन करके जोगा मोगा झरन करके एरिया है। हम जोगा मोगा टेम्पल और वहाँ पे मैंगो ट्री और जामुन ट्री है, उसको हम झरन बोलते हैं। वहाँ से हमेशा पानी रहता है और दोनों भी साइड से पहाड़ी। हम ऐसे एक दिन चले गए थे, जैसे फर्स्ट म्हणजे सेकंड गाड़ी गया था, उसको दिखी टाइग्रेस। तो वहाँ पे कैसा टाइग्रेस दिखी, तो फर्स्ट टाइम उसने गाड़ी देखा, तो गाड़ी के पीछे दौड़ी थी टाइग्रेस। उसको कभी ने गाड़ी देखा नहीं होगा, टाइग्रेस ने नहीं क्या, इसलिए हम झरन एरिया में वो टाइग्रेस दिखी थी, इसलिए बोलूँगा उसको झरनी बोलते थे। तो फर्स्ट टाइम में उसको 2 कप थे, हम ऐसे ही जाते ना कभी नहीं क्या झरन में। अभी दोपहर में सवेरे टाइगर दिखी, तो वहाँ पे सोई रहती ना समर में, हमें गाड़ी में डंडा लेके जाने का और वो पत्ते ऐसे बजाने का, फटाक से टाइगर बाहर, और 2 बार ऐसे ग्रावलिंग करते अटैक करते हुए वापस आती थी, गाड़ी ऊपर चार्ज करती थी और वापस रिटर्न चली जाती। और गेस्ट भी बोलते थे कहना भैया टाइगर ही नहीं देखना अभी, यहाँ से चलो जो करके। अभी धीरे धीरे उसको आदत होगा, अकेली गाड़ी रहेंगी तो उसको हेड़न वेड़न चलती है, नहीं तो ऐसा साइड रोड क्रॉस करेंगी, नहीं तो ही करेंगे, ऐसा होगा। माय नेम इज दीपक चौके, वेलकम टू TATR। मैं अलीजंजा गेट पे गाइड नियुक्ति पे काम करता हूँ। यहाँ पे मैम पूरे 23 गेट है, कोर के 6 गेट। तड़बा में पूरे 100 से प्लस टाइगर है, पर यहाँ पे 80% जंगल पूरा तड़बा का बंद है, 20% सिर्फ जंगल चालू है।
We are right now going on an extremely downward sloping road right now. Even though this is a buffer zone, the forest area here is so lush and dense. Just take a look. Day number 3, safari number 4. We are off to the Bellara buffer zone today. Really hopeful of getting a good tiger sighting because we are already halfway through. We are done with 3 safaris, but we don't have even a single tiger sighting. So today is the D-Day. It has to happen today. We're having a super dry morning. The entire morning we have just been waiting, driving and then waiting and then driving and then waiting. Completely dry, no tigers. We're 4 safaris in and still absolutely not even a single tiger sighting. Everyone is kind of sad. We just saw a bear. This time, I mean, we're not having great luck with tigers, but I think it's a time for first times. Yesterday was my first time ever sighting a leopard, and today was my first time ever sighting a bear. I was actually really looking forward to sighting a bear. Although the bear didn't come like too close to us, it was kind of in the bushes, but still it was a pretty decent sighting. It's day number 3, safari number 5. We are officially at our second last safari, and things are not looking good. We haven't had even a single good tiger sighting yet, which is a little sad because we really wanted to get a good tiger sighting. The safaris have been really nice in the sense like the weather has been amazing because it's monsoons, it's drizzling a little bit, weather is very pleasant. We actually got some really rare sightings. We sighted a pack of wild dogs. We sighted a leopard yesterday, and today we sighted a black sloth bear. So we actually got quite a few sightings which are rare, but absolutely no tiger sighting, and it's so sad because we are literally inside Tadoba Tiger Reserve. But nevertheless, we are hopeful that we still have 2 safaris left, this afternoon safari and then tomorrow morning. Right now, we are both these safaris are going to be core forest zone safaris. Both of them are in the Kolara core zone. So since it's core forest zone, we are hopeful that we'll get to spot a tiger. Please, we're going to be really sad if this doesn't happen. So, as you can see, a lot of gypsies are camping out here. So, there is this spot where the tigress Bijli has apparently made a kill because she's been hanging around this area for the last couple of days. She's been sighted a few times. So, this is probably our best bet. So, we're going to hang out here for a while and see in case we're able to sight Bijli. Oh my god. पानी पड़ा है. Oh my god. Oh. हाँ गई गई. We got an insane sighting. This tigress called Bijli. She walked all the way across the road. She's actually spraying, marking her territory. And we literally were, following her, backing up our car and letting her walk for over 15-20 minutes. It has been simply fabulous, totally worth the wait. I mean, after 4 dry safaris, I am totally not feeling bad about this because this one single sighting made my entire Tadoba trip totally worth it.
Amazing sighting, like
Really,
literally
really
what
good.
we had come for
Yes.
in this monsoon
And
season.
now I get it what this all is about.
I already know what this all is about, and I just feel that I can do this all my life.
Amazing. Best sighting ever. Experience of a monsoon safari is unreal. Just look at this. I have never experienced a forest like this before. because the rain is unreal. Good morning. It's day number 4, safari number 6. We are officially at our last safari. This kind of feels bittersweet because we have had some fabulous sightings, but also I feel like I don't want to go back. So we are off on our last morning safari. Today we are going back to the core zone again, the Kolara core zone. And yeah, last chance to sight tigers. Let's do this. Almost done with our last safari, and we have had absolutely no luck today. No sighting. And to top it up, cherry on the cake is our gypsy has shut down, so we're waiting for the rescue vehicle. So yeah, I guess the last safari is also going to be dry. That makes yesterday's sighting of Bijli all the more special. कैसा रहा ताड़ोबा का एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों के लिए?
Taruba experience was good because it was raining and the jungle was really beautiful. But we had only one sighting, but that was nice.
Tadoba has been pretty good actually. Whatever sightings we got were fabulous, so no complaints. My Tadoba trip has officially ended. It's been a bittersweet journey. Some fabulous sightings, but some not so fabulous incidents as well. But all in all, this was an experience I'm never going to forget. So I'm ending my Tadoba stay at this souvenir shop. So I picked up a fridge magnet and I picked up these beautiful earrings. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will be doing more such national park videos for you guys. Until then, like, share, subscribe.